We're staying here at the Medina KOA, and we have seasonal friends that have a 2017 Reflection by Grand Design. So we're gonna go check it out.
Hi, I'm Chuck. This is my wife Francine. This is our third year at this KOA camp. Some people call it KOA, I don't know why. But here's our Reflection, Grand Design. We decided on the Grand Design because of this quality, manufacturing qualities. Not a very heavy camper, but too heavy for a 1500, I believe. As long as you're not going too far, we're 45 minutes from home, so I'm pretty comfortable if I have to bring it there. And then we're going to show you inside or around the camp here in our third year of season here. We're enjoying very much, and hopefully many more.
So, how much does your Grand Design weigh?
Well, we have a little tag here on the side here, which show you it's probably about 8,200. So it's pretty heavy.
8,200?
The slides generally give you a little extra weight.
And this has 2 slides?
3.
It has 3 slides. Okay, so we're gonna go in and check it out.
Yeah.
Let's start a smart check, and what does it do?
Yeah, here's my features here. It's got a memory function, so to bring it back to where you started if you need to. Auto retract. Easy to use backlit control. We have lights on this thing. Battery indicator to make sure you can check your battery at any time. And just an LED light for at night.
It's also set up for solar if you wanted to go that route. It's set up on top, and this is your area where your water and everything is.
Yeah.
This compartment goes all the way through. Comes out the other side. There's also a door on the other side.
That system right there is real nice right there. It shows you each where how to, when you're going to winterize, if you're going to dry camp, power fill, your city water, your winterize when it's time, or sanitize. It tells you where to put your knobs for each of these. And everything's done right there when it comes to winterize. Quick and simple. It's a really nice idea they came up with there. One of your Grand Design ideas. Storage.
Oh, more storage.
Yep. Got a couple chairs in it right now and an extra power cord cover for the golf cart.
This is the actual power to the camper.
This is a 50 amp. I had to convert with the 30 to 50. I got the Watchdog protector. There's an app for that too. Keep an eye on your power.
Yeah, they're a very popular brand. It looks like you've got awnings on the slides.
Toppers on all of them.
Okay.
Power jacks.
Power jacks are good.
Yeah, both fit on the same time.
Got a nice big window and ladder on the back.
Sometimes when we come, we find that there are people sitting on our site. We don't really know where they come from, but we just leave them there. They're okay. They won't hurt us.
In case of emergency. So they have an outdoor deck set up on theirs for their seasonal site. They have awnings on there's a 3rd slide. We saw the 2 on the other side.
Extra awning, unfortunately, we can't use.
Okay, because of
Of the porch.
Yeah, well,
Got the porch to make up for it.
yes, it's a beautiful porch too. Go up the stairs, and
So let's go look inside. Come on in.
oh, so the first thing you see when you walk in is the bathroom right here. It's got a very nice shower, nice countertops, very nice. But then, wow, look at this.
This is our home away from home.
So tell me about it. You've got an island.
We've got an island, yes, and a large stainless steel sink. This pulls down, comes up, sprays, and regular. The microwave is not only a microwave, it's a convection oven and a combination, so that's very handy. Oven. The fridge is extra large, 2 doors.
Okay, I think that's one of my new favorite features.
Mine too. Same with the freezer, both sides.
Wow.
Then over here we have like a hutch. So one of the very cool things about this camper is this. A pantry. Light comes on when you open the door. It's the little things.
Wow.
And don't make me happy, but yeah, there's lots of space in here for everything you need. Most important, munchies on top. Your breads, canned goods. It's pretty handy. Then there's fireplace. Provides heat on a chilly morning or evening. There's storage here. This is the junk drawer, and I'm not kidding. And then I store my 12 packs pop in here. It's got cabinets here, stereo, DVD player. I just have some movies in here. We've got storage over here. Not anything in there. Cabinets up here. All full. There's a lot of storage. This couch does pull out to a queen size sleeper. We've only had our nieces sleep here so far, but they're very comfortable in it. Very easy to pull out and put back. More storage here. And then this love seat is pretty cool. It's got light on the bottom for if you were trying to set the mood for a movie or whatever, turn the lights off. It's got heat on it, and of course reclines. It's cozy.
So that you can have a view of your fireplace and your TV.
Yeah.
Look at that setup, folks. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. We've actually only done that one time because it's only rained one night here since we've been camping this season. So, yeah. And then the dinette actually has 4 chairs, but it's just the 2 of us, so we've got the other 2 in the outside storage just to give us some more room over here. And over here, you saw the bathroom already, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is my bedroom. And it slides out on this side, so it gives the extra floor space that you need. Dresser, TV, storage up here. There's a cupboard here, and it's the same thing. Oh, he doesn't have it turned on, but when there's a sensor on this too, the light will go on when you open the door, like the pantry. So Chuck gets this closet and these drawers, and then I get this dresser and this closet, which was the other selling feature for me. That's huge. It's set up for washer and dryer on both sides, but we don't use that portion of it. We don't need it. We're basically weekend campers for the most part. You can also get to your storage, your through storage from here if you want, or they advertised it as you could put a hamper or a clothes basket in here and put your dirty laundry in there, which would be handy too. But yeah, so we love it.
Yeah, it's a beautiful camper.
Yeah. And then the barn door closes, and that's it. First of all, thank you to Amy for coming and taking a look at our camper. I've been wanting you to come out here forever now, so we're just thrilled that you're here this weekend. We're having a blast. And just as a side note, the perk of being a seasonal is you have your stuff. You have your stuff, you set it up, and it's here every time you come. You just turn the key and you're ready for the weekend. Bring your food, bring your clothes. And this is where the party happens at night. So if you're ever in the area, we're on site M7. Feel free to stop by. We're Chuck and Fran. And be sure to like this video. Amy and Kevin would really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye. You know, it's got